Yeah, I think I can't survive in Korea without you or any Korean.
I'm on my way to barbershop with my international friend.
What are you gonna teach today?
I'm gonna teach you some barbershop expression.
What are you gonna teach?
I know
Sam, what are you gonna teach?
some international friends are having a program to have haircut in Korea. So we're gonna teach which expressions is useful.
Yeah.
We are here for Dokkan to have his haircut today.
First expression is 커트는 얼마예요?
This one is for how much is it?
Yeah.
Right. 커트는 얼마예요? If you want to know the answer, so he's gonna say something like this much, you can find like the numbers in our numbers video for teaching Korean.
The second expression is 다듬어 주세요.
다듬어 주세요.
You can use when you wanna just cut the length of your hair, maintaining your hairstyle.
If I want to keep my hairstyle, I'm just gonna say 다듬어 주세요.
Yes, yes.
What if I want to cut more?
Come more. You can say 더.
더.
Yes.
If
More.
더.
더.
If I want to cut all, 다. 대머리. Probably he's gonna ask you how much do you want it to be cut. You can say 더, like more, or 조금. 조금 is like a little bit.
If you want another style, then you can just bring pictures and show them.
You can show a picture like this, and then
So
you can say
ugly.
이거 해주세요. Alright, let's go inside. In Korea, usually you don't use camera like in public places like barbershop, so we're not allowed. So we're just gonna switch this to his.
I'm just gonna ask it then. 저기 얼마예요? 얼마예요? 아, 같은 네. 12,000원? 하루만 주세요.
So 조금 더? 얘 몇 살처럼 보여요?
와, 진짜? I hate it.
20 중반? The middle of the 20s.
오, that was it.
그동안 30살처럼 보인다고 사람들이.
말병하게 해볼 거예요? 외국 사람은 홍대에 가요. 근데 비싸요.
Thank you for being with me all the time, taking videos. You got a haircut too? Show it.
Yeah.
Show it. Wow, 맛있겠다. So she did something else. She had a style on her own. I liked the haircut, but I didn't like the style, so I messed it up a little bit. No. Super cool. Yeah, it's cool. 지금 it's cool. I didn't want to change my style, so I used 다듬어 주세요.
다듬어 주세요.
다듬어 주세요.
Did it work?
I guess it worked. I mean, she didn't cut a lot, so it worked, I guess. And I asked 얼마요? She said 12,000 with cards. That was it for today. I hope you can get your hair cut easily after this video. Peace. Peace.
I said I feel like a kid. Like you're next to me, like watching how I get a haircut.
맞아.
Like old days. My mom was like that. She waited for me at the barbershop. Oh my.